What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the Clear Cryptos Education Channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Shields with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Listen up, guys. We gotta talk about Peter Schiff because every single time Bitcoin goes down, everybody says it's done, crypto's done, it's scary, you shouldn't be investing, you should get out, blah, 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 blah. And now, as the price of Bitcoin is rising, and we have news that BlackRock is starting to join and starting to allow people to purchase Bitcoin through ETFs, a $10 trillion asset company. Now, all of a sudden, Peter Schiff, I shouldn't say all of a sudden because he's never really liked crypto, but now he's telling people amidst this rise to 19,000 while you've been sitting at 15, 16, 17, and 18,000, while Bitcoin is reaching 19,000, he's urging people to sell their Bitcoin. Justin, take us through the story, man.
All right. So, the world's most popular cryptocurrency is on a high to start the new year. But one of the biggest gold bugs, interesting, in the industry is championing its high as a chance to get out. Peter Schiff has taken to Twitter to urge investors to sell Bitcoin amidst its rising $19,000 price. BTC has seen 9 consecutive weeks on the rise, its most since the pandemic-riddled 2020. Most have seen this as an excellent sign for the digital asset market and see it as the coin's return to prominence following a disastrous 2022. Schiff, however, is calling it an even better opportunity to sell. So here on Twitter, he said Bitcoin is trading above 18K, its highest level in 3 weeks, an excellent opportunity for hodlers to sell ahead of the release of the December CPI. Gold is only up $10, trading at an 8-month high. While Bitcoin has already broken down, gold has broken out. Time to drop Bitcoin. And then he later tweeted, Bitcoin is now pushing 19K. It's an even better opportunity to sell, which is kind of funny because it pushed 19K because of CPI data where the market didn't do nothing. So eat that, Peter Schiff. Right. So 2020 will forever be marked as a tumultuous year for the cryptocurrency sector. Prices plummeted due to the macroeconomic circumstances, and the bankruptcies of some of the biggest platforms were common headlines. Bitcoin itself, once perceived as an untouchable in mainstream media, was seen its value diminish. That narrative has taken a back seat for the start of 2023, however, as Bitcoin has returned to a plus $18,000 price. The bullish sign has been a point of optimism for many in the space, coinciding with news of lowering inflation rates in the US. Conversely noted, gold bug Peter Schiff has urged investors to sell Bitcoin. In a series of tweets, Schiff has discussed why Bitcoin holders should take the current high as a chance to sell their assets, stating clearly that the digital asset is currently above $19,000, a price that is a better opportunity to be sold than he had previously recommended. Earlier today, Schiff stated that its price then above 18,000, its highest in 3 weeks, in a tweet, adding that the investors should sell ahead of the release of the CPI data from December, released in January, referring to the numbers that would divulge the American inflation rate. Schiff added that gold is only up $10, trading at an 8-month high, while Bitcoin has already broken down and gold has broken out, conclusively stating, time to drop Bitcoin. Interestingly, Schiff gives no real-time data analysis as to why his recent rally indicates a strategic sale opportunity. Of course not. Contrarily, with the CPI citing a decrease in inflation from its November 7.1% number to 6.5% in December, it seems ill-advised to rush a sale of a digital asset during the start of an optimistic period. Well, it isn't ill-advised if you have an agenda, I suppose, which is very well written. And on top of that, Bitcoin or gold was up $10 and Bitcoin ran over $1,000 today. So if you had one whole Bitcoin, you did much better than what gold has been doing in 8 months. So just saying. What you got?
8 months, yeah. I mean, gold has been an asset that's been traded since the 50s and 60s, right? Gold is a slow moving asset, no matter how you look at it. It's not an asset. It may be a little safer, right, in regards to volatility, right? It's not going to be as volatile as Bitcoin, but Bitcoin has much more upside potential. Bitcoin is up over 3 million% since since it came out back in, I don't know, 2010, somewhere around there. Gold, on the other hand, ran from about $35 up to about $2,000. since the 60s, right? To me, it's not even comparable. So for him to be, pushing gold, pushing gold, pushing gold, he's looking at the long-term slow growth. But millennials, people in this day and age that understand the value of cryptocurrency as a potential new asset, they understand that yes, Bitcoin is down 80%, 70% from its all-time high. But you know what? The macroeconomics suggests that everything should be down pretty much to its all-time high. You look at Tesla down 75 to 65%. You look at Apple down 20 to 30% over the last year. These things don't happen without the macroeconomics being in the situation that they are. As the macroeconomics in doubt undoubtedly will become much better or much more positive, so will Bitcoin, so will Tesla, so will Apple. So why, if you set through all of this pain during a bear market, why then would you give this quote ill-advised advice to now sell out of your cryptocurrency? If you're swing trading, day trading Bitcoin and you bought it down at 15K and it ran up to 19K today, sure, it's an absolute level, a psychological level where I think it actually hit and came down about $300. Yeah, it's a good time to swing trade it. But if you're holding this for the long term, just like he's holding his gold, and it has the potential to potentially hit its all-time high and further, you're looking at an increase that doesn't even compare to the increase that you could receive while holding gold for the next 10 or 20 years. So this is a nothing burger, and it's absolutely ridiculous in my opinion.
Yeah, couldn't agree more.
Yeah, so
Couldn't agree more.
you guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. I think this is Peter Schiff just being Peter Schiff, old, unintelligible in regards to cryptocurrency. And that's okay. Dinosaurs can stay in gold. The new millennials and the people that, are hip, they'll most likely be in crypto and Bitcoin and probably do much better than gold. But you let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget the like button. Don't forget to hit the like button. Check out the other videos on ClearCryptos educational channel. But my name is T How from the Crypto Shop. And of course, that man up there is Jay Seals. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.